Today's tutorial is of a Samsung S7 back glass screen replacement. The tools you'll need is a hairdryer, heat gun, safety glasses, separating tool, super glue if you do want, and a coin to actually cover the camera. So as you can see, what I'm doing is heating up the back. Now what I'm wanting to do is loosen that adhesive that's holding the back glass down. I'm putting a coin on top of the camera just so it doesn't do any damage to the camera. Everything is fine underneath there that can take heat. Obviously there's a battery, you don't want to heat it too much, but you want to heat it to a point where it does feel fairly hot to touch, and you'll be able to put your pry tool in between the frame and the back glass, like I've done here. And then you'll see I just put it in probably about 1/2 centimeter, and you slowly move it down. Now remember, if you put enough heat on the actual back cover or back glass, it should slide through fairly easy. So just remember to always keep on applying heat. You don't see me do this in the actual video all the time, but I'm always using a heat gun at intervals, and we'll slowly move all the way around the edge. So then what you can do is heat the middle, because there's a bit of adhesive at the middle, and you don't want to pull up the back cover too fast. If you do pull it up too fast, you might damage the wireless charger underneath. And as you can see, this just slowly moves up and folds open like that. And then what you just need to do is remove the back cover. There we go. And that's pretty much the rear taken off. Now we need to remove the actual lens for the camera, so it does protect the camera and the flash cover. That just comes off real easy. Don't forget to take off the adhesive on the other side of it. Use a heat gun if you need. And there we go, that's the lens. We're going to put that onto the new back screen. Okay, now the important step that I do believe in this whole process is the actual taking off the old glue. Now preparation is everything, as they say, so be patient with it. Try to take as much of the old adhesive off. The better you do it, the better the actual new screen will stick on, or should I say the new back cover will stick on. It's very important that you spend a bit of time with this. Realistically, it takes only about 5 or 10 minutes to actually clean it thoroughly. And what I like to do is get a cotton bud with a bit of rubbing alcohol or methylated spirits, or even nail polish remover. And what you do is you just rub it and make sure that any small particles of adhesive that are there get rubbed off. And remember, if you do this and you prepare it well, you'll be very surprised on how the actual new screen just sticks down. It really does stick down perfectly. And this is obviously the new screen. In the link below, I've got a link on where to buy the tools, the screens, and the replacement, the replacement part. Now, what you need to do is just put that lens back in there. This is optional, but I always do it as peace of mind. I just get a few drops of super glue, but it's the gel version, not the liquid version. And I just put a few drops in the corners and along the side and down towards the bottom. And this ensures that the actual back cover sticks down. Now, as I said, this is optional. You don't have to do this, but a bit of extra adhesive doesn't hurt, and only put it sparingly. And if you do everything right and you clean everything right, when you put that back cover on, you just place it on top. There's no clicking or anything, it just places on top. It should stick down. You'll see that, and I'm going to wipe that gel glue away after, but you'll see that it should stick down perfectly and you shouldn't have any gaps like so. The whole process is about probably 10 to 20 minutes. It's a very easy process. Please like this video, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.